In round 7, start with a chain stitch and then work 21 single crochets. Finally, end with a slip stitch. Work a chain stitch first. Then work a single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 21 single crochets. Three single crochets are done. Please finish the rest 18 single crochets by yourself. Finally, work a slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 7 is done. In round 8, start with a chain stitch, then work a set of 3 single crochets, an increase 3 single crochets for 3 times. Finally, end with a slip stitch. Work a chain stitch first. Work 3 single crochets. Next, work an increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 3 single crochets. One set is done. The second set. Work 3 single crochets. Next, work the increase. Then work 3 single crochets. The second set is done. The third set. Work 3 single crochets. Next, work the increase. Then work 3 single crochets. Finally, work a slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 8 is done. In rounds 9 to 11, work a chain stitch, 24 single crochets, and a slip stitch for each round. Work a chain stitch first. Then work a single crochet in each stitch. There will be 24 single crochets in total. Three single crochets are done. Please finish the rest 21 single crochets by yourself. Finally, work a slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 9 is done. Please finish rounds 10 to 11 by yourself. Work a chain stitch, 24 single crochets, and a slip stitch for each round. Round 11 is done. Let's count the rounds. There are 11 rounds in total. In round 12, start with a chain stitch, then work a set of 3 single crochets, a decrease, 3 single crochets for 3 times. Finally, end with a slip stitch. Work a chain stitch first. Work 3 single crochets. Next, work a decrease to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. A regular stitch, a V-shape, has 2 loops. The loop close to us is a front loop. The loop far away from us is a back loop. We will make decrease to the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn under the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on hook. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on hook. A decrease is done.
Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is a front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease.
Then work 3 single crochets. One set is done. The second set, work 3 single crochets. Next, work a decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn under the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on hook. The decrease is done. Then work 3 single crochets. The second set is done. The third set, work 3 single crochets. Next, work a decrease. Then work 3 single crochets. Finally, Work a slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 12 is done. Then we'll insert safety eyes between rounds 9 to 10 of the main body. Then put on the safety back piece. Insert the other safety eye in the same way, spacing 2 eyes 4 stitches apart. Put on the safety back piece. Two eyes are completed.